What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Southern Smoke Boss. Today, I'm gonna try out this electric fire starter. I always wanted to try the charcoal lighter starter. We're gonna see if we get the fire started like normal. Hey, let me know how it turned out for your reviews. I just picked that from Walmart. I'm gonna put some charcoal in the chimney first to get it, covered. Then stick it down in the middle between. Yeah, because you want the handle out. The instructions say you want the handle out, so plastic handle. Just gonna probably better filling it up. Stick it in there. Yeah, let's try and see if we can get it down in there. Guess we're gonna have to put some back in there for him. Okay, they say you just plug it up and it should heat on up. Get your charcoal started. You know, a lot of people say that charcoal tastes like lighter fluid when they light it, so I'm gonna see if I can tell the difference. I didn't get instant light. Charcoal. Just got, see what happens. You wanna make sure this plastic is out though. You don't want it down in there because it would melt. Oh, you can see it getting bright orange hot now. After about 2 minutes, it starts heating up. May be a pretty good tool. We want to see how it lights up all the coals. Pretty going, so we'll go ahead and dump the charcoals over in here. Just pull the little button like so. Yeah. Just put it back on up. Get my little handy dandy tool. There should be enough charcoal for the grill. Last through the whole burn. Try a little of this pecan wood. See if it catch. Making sure you unplug it. Well, got my fire started. Wood catching on up on fire. We'll let it burn on down. Catch on up. Well, make sure you come and watch future videos for how to, I'm let you know how to charcoal burn with the electric starter. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hey, and check out the next upcoming videos. Hey, more videos coming every day. Thanks for watching.